Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rank your blog post with Rankmath and Yoast SEO. Okay, let's dive into today's video. Okay, if you want to rank your blog post with Rankmath and Yoast SEO, what you need to do is to come right here where you can see post and click on add new posts. After that, you need to head on to ChatGPT to access your SEO. Then come right here, explore GPT, type 100% Yoast SEO. Then click on the first one you can see right here. Then click on start. I have write a prompt that I want to use. Generate a blog post with not less than 5,000 words. Copy it, then come here to paste. You can see generate a blog post with not less than 500 words about family trip and non-native plan to UAE in 2025, and the focus keyword to appear more. Then send. Wait for your SEO to write your blog posts. Come right here to copy the second prompt. Increase the number of these keywords in the article and copy it. Then come right here to paste it. Come here to copy your focus keyword. This is my focus keyword and visit to UAE. Then let me copy it all and paste it right here. Then let me copy the article and paste it right here. Then send. Then Yoast SEO will write you the new version where it increases the frequency of your focus keywords. Then after writing it, we need to copy it all. Come right here to copy it. Come right here to copy it and paste it. Then to add our focus keyword. Let's see what our focus keyword is right here. You can see this is our focus keyword. Come here to copy it. Paste it right here. You can see the SEO score has increased to 68% of 100. Okay. We need to copy this log right here to paste it and copy it, paste it right here. Then you can see that the SEO score has increased from 60 to 72. Then come right here to paste your description and copy the description. need to troubleshoot it. Okay, you need to add maybe your focus keywords. Okay, link to external resources. Then come back here to copy the link to our external resources. You can see it has suggested Yoast SEO has suggested. Let's copy it up. Copy, then come to our blog post to add it. I want to add it right here. Then I want to write it. Places to visit. Then I will need to add my internal link. Then I will come here to copy my internal link. This is my internal link. Copy. Here to copy. Get to know more about travel, and come right here. This is our internal. You can see the SEO score has increases to 83. Then we need to add an image with focus keywords. Okay, let's answer to that. Add images. Let me copy my focus keywords. Select this one right here. To get 100%, we need to increase our content watch time.